engines on Sodor are painted in a lot of different colours. I like my blue paint, but James thinks his red paint is the most splendid of all. So imagine how he'd feel if he was painted a different colour. All aboard for a big adventure! An engine of many colours. One day, James had been showing off, trying to prove that he was the fastest red engine on Sodor. But when his brakes failed, he couldn't stop, and he crashed into Tigman's sheds. So, James had to be sent to the steamworks to be repaired.
Look at my lovely paintwork!
Don't worry, my friend. We'll have you fixed up in no time.
A long time ago, the VAT controller said that if I misbehaved again, he would paint me blue.
I'm sorry, boss, but I can't find any more red paint. We have plenty of blue paint, though.
Blue? I won't be the same at all if I'm painted blue. Here's James.
James? What happened to your shiny red paint?
You look like Thomas.
Hey? I'm blue! Oh, no! Nobody thinks blue engines are splendid.
Gordon's come down with boiler rake. Could you please take the express for him, James?
Not in this colour. What would everyone say?
It doesn't matter what colour paint you have, James. It's what you do to be really useful that matters.
Look, Daddy! Edward is going to be taking our train.
Oh. Hey? Pulling the express was never this easy before. These coaches are so light I can go as fast as I want. Woohoo! Make way for an important engine! Express coming through!
James! Stop showing off before you have another crash.
Yeah. Phew. It was all just a dream. Here's James!
James! Is that you?
You look like me.
I'm green! Oh, this is terrible.
At least you're back on the rails again, James. And just in time, too. Henry's been delayed. The VAT controller wants you to take his heavy goods train.
For a heavy goods train, this certainly feels very light. Maybe green makes you stronger. Strong and green like Henry, that's me. Maybe you should be repainted green, Rosie. Then you'll be as strong as me and Henry.
Or maybe you should stop showing off before you have another crash.
Yay! Look out, Edward! Oh, no! This is too much. Not another bad dream. Here's James!
Ah, James, I'm so glad the VAT controller let us borrow you while Spencer is on loan.
Oh, I see you've gotten your silver paint polished. Very smart.
Silver? Oh, yes! This is what I call looking splendid! sorry about that.
If you keep showing off, James, you'll have another crash. Another crash. Another crash. Another crash. Another crash. Another crash.
Another crash!
Another crash. Another crash. Another crash.
Go on! Crash! Silly!
Huh?
No, 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 no! I really don't want to crash again! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh no! Brown! Purple! Yellow! Green! Orange!
James!
Please, sir, I'm sorry about showing off yesterday. I don't care if you paint me blue or green or silver, so long as I can be really useful again, sir.
Yes, James. I did tell you a long time ago that if you misbehaved again, I would have you painted blue. However, I can see that you're sorry, and I think it's only right to have you painted in a colour that suits you best.
Oh. Hello, Thomas.
Oh, hello, James. Good to see you back on the line again. All repaired and repainted, too.
I'm not going to say a word about my paintwork today.
Really?
It doesn't matter what colour I am. It's what I do to be really useful that matters.
Who told you that?
Why, you did, Thomas. In a dream. Mind you, I bet my shiny red paintwork does look splendid again.
It's fun to show off what you can do, but too much showing off can get you into a lot of trouble. Spencer was so busy showing off to a very important passenger that he ended up taking him to the clay pits instead of Knapford. James thought it was very important which colour he was painted, but no matter what colour he was, he couldn't stop showing off, even in his dreams. In the end, James realized that he had to stop showing off if he didn't want to have another crash. Sometimes showing off makes you forget to be careful, and that can cause lots of problems.
Come on, Thomas.
It's time to go.
See you next time!